Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to increase your power fast in Foundation Galactic Frontier. So let's jump right in. First, you can upgrade your buildings. Your base plays a huge role in your power level. So focus on upgrading key structures like your command center, production buildings, and research facilities. Now, these upgrades give instant power boosts, so prioritize the ones with the best power to cost ratio. Next, you want to research technologies. Research is one of the fastest ways to gain power. Every completed tech gives permanent bonuses, stronger units, faster production, better defenses, and your power increases immediately when the research finishes. Now, let's talk about units and heroes. Leveling up your troops, ships, or heroes directly raises your power. Use XP items, complete combat missions, and upgrade abilities whenever you can. Another major boost comes from gear and equipment. Equipping and upgrading weapons, armor, and modules can add a lot of power quickly. So focus on higher rarity gear and avoid spreading upgrades too thin early on. Now, don't forget to complete missions, dailies, and events. These unlock upgrades, resources, and bonuses that permanently increase your power. Limited time events are especially good for fast growth. Finally, you want to join an alliance. Alliance give stat bonuses, shared research, and access to group events, all of which help your power grow faster over time. Quick tip: prioritize upgrades that give instant power gains like research gear and unit levels instead of only long-term building upgrades. And basically, that's about it. That's how you increase power in Foundation Galactic Frontier. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!